first bug we found.
Cool.
Here, and then find a match again. Alright, ready up. Just don't fall off, because apparently you can't respawn. Also, there's no health regen.
What?
There's no health regen. Not yet, at least.
Wait, hold on. Stop. Is there headshots?
No. Oh, this is great. Alright.
Yes, look us.
Also, I need to add sensitivity adjustments. Like... No, you fell off. Oh, you died. Yes. Also, you get the kill for people, like, dying by falling now. Yeah.
Do we kill each other?
Yeah.
Oh, I found the flag glitch. Hold up. Stop shooting me. Stop shooting me. Watch.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I'm good at that. Finding the flag glitch in games.
There's a lot of them. Look at this.
Whoa! You were so high.
Literally any face you can jump off. Oh my god, it's hard to aim with this.
How are you going that high?
Spamming. Mmm.
Oh.
Alright, respawn that time. Where did you go?
I'm still falling. I'm still falling.
Are you stuck falling forever? Yeah, I think the host gets stuck falling forever. Just leave. And find another. By the way, you can change your username. If you go to the main menu, go to the main menu by clicking leave. And then in the top right, there's an account button and you can change your username.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright.
So let me jump off.
You can jump off. If I jump off, I'll fall forever. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna try to wallbang you. Hold up.
Oh. Okay, leave. Wait.
Let's go! You're the host though, aren't you?
I'm gonna keep jumping off.
No, you're
Oh!
you're gone.
Oh wait, did you leave?
Yeah,
Bug, you muted yourself.
I left. Oh, I didn't realize I was muted.
Stop muting yourself.
I hate the strategy. If you can't beat him, join him.
Oh, and I'm falling forever. Okay, I'll try to bang you.
I see you down there.
You know what? I'll sprint.
Alright, I left. That's a bug I'm gonna have to fix
Wait,
pretty
3
quick.
people online.
That's just cause it's a bug.
Wait, how did you fly?
When we spawn on each other, we kinda get stuck inside.
Wait, hold on, me. Stand on top of me.
No, yeah, I have to die.
Then die. Oh wait, I have to kill you.
Also, we have to both spawn at the same time, so let's trade in 3, 2. No, okay.
Yeah, let's just restart. You start. What?
Oh, I thought you meant restart, like restart the match.
Oh,
At least
yeah,
it's
restart.
fast to make new matches in this. Oh, didn't happen. Do you like the reload?
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, there I go. I left.
Alright, yeah, me too. Alright, I think I'm gonna wreck you. Wait, let's actually start at the sides. Here, kill me real quick.
What?
Kill me to reset my health. Or I'll just jump off. Alright, you start at your side, I'll start at mine. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, we kill each other. Dude, this wall banging. Wait, I wanna see how much. Wait, stand here. I'm gonna shoot you through like 3 walls. Oh wait, no. Oh. Yeah.
There we go.
Isn't that great? No.
Let me fly.
Alright. Okay, it's very hard to aim when looking down and falling.
How did you get that high up? Stop. How did you get that high up?
Sprint jumping?
I didn't go that high though. How did you get that high?
Skill. Here, watch.
Hold up. Where?
So let me align myself.
How are you still going?
Dude, I should have health indicators in this version.
What?
I should have health indicators. Alright, I'm gonna go. See you later.
What?
I'm gonna go. Bye.
Really?
Yeah, I have to go. It's getting late.
Okay.